Welcome everyone. I was not going to make you a video this semester just because the course is not very demanding and you have the documents already created for a good portion of the course. But I recognize some of you are used to videos from Dr. Soares or Dr. Rahimi. So I also suddenly, because I had an email from one of you that wondered if you hadn't been working in the new Folio interface. And so I'm going to show you how Folio is working now. So if you use the content button, by the way, make sure you verify your attendance so they don't drop you from the course. Okay, so if you hit the content button or tabs up at the top, it's going to look like this for you. And this new interface, it's very sleek, but it also makes a lot of clicking. Like you have to click through all the pages and open all of the things. So I'm not a fan. But here is the first module, kickoff module. You'll need to click that down arrow button. There's a task list. The course syllabus should open directly right there. If it's not doing that for you, let me know. It should just be right there for you with access to the syllabus and any links in here that you need. The next page down is your course schedule. These links should work, but you don't have to use them because they're just linked to the drop boxes that you always find under assessments. Your first assignment is to introduce one another. And I'm in the instructor mode, so it shows me the grade book, but what it'll show you is a link out to the discussions. You can always find discussions underneath the tab here. And there it is, and some of you have already found it. Okay, this semester, a couple of us are asking that you convert your documents into Google Docs. Instead of turning in Word documents. We have our reasons, it's long, lengthy, whatever, but it's really a simple task. You just go to your drive and let me pull it so you can see. So you'll be in your drive, you will just hit new and file upload, and from your desktop you'll just choose the Word document that you've been using, and it will upload directly into Word. Let me show you that. And so here it is, moving the Word directly into a Google Doc. Then after you have it there, the way that you share it with me is different. So you will go to the share option and you will change it anyone in this group with the link can edit, and that allows me to fix any small typos, your APA stuff if you just made a small mistake. You can also share it with me here and click done, and then I have Google access to your document. Okay, and then let me show you. Then you will also grab that URL, copy the link, and that's what goes in the Dropbox. So when you're supposed to submit your first professional draft, you will, that's not what I wanted to do. I don't think it's going to show me from this side. But when you open the Dropbox, you just copy and paste the URL in there, and it should work for you. Okay, so the modules are pretty short There's not a lot asked here in this course. You're really just putting together all of the major pieces that you have been writing since you started the program. You will add your professional goals in this semester, and you'll be writing about those. The one thing that we'll be looking for as we look at your drafts and see how you pulled them all together is that the first part of your paper supports the second part of your paper that supports your professional goals and the writing that you do in this course. So you're going to be using the research from the first part of the paper in the second part of the paper and the third part of the paper. Your literature review being the major part, but also some of the theories. So as you are writing and drafting, you're just thinking about how you thread all of those through so that it's a professional draft. Okay. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll jump in and try to fix whatever I can and support you in whatever way I can. Thanks.